Hey, and welcome back. You may be wondering why I'm sat inside my car with this massive fur hood up. Well, it's because it's -1 outside, and I swear to God, it's -1 inside the car. I've just been for a 20-minute drive, the car got up to temperature, but I got no warm air inside the car. Now, this is an easy, very easy, quick fix for anyone. You don't need to be a mechanic or anything, but this video will show you what you need to do and what you need to look for. Okay? Let's crack on with this video, because I'm freezing and I want some heat. I'd like to ask you to smash that like button. Let's get as many likes as we can in this video, and subscribe for more videos. So as you can see, our temperature gauge at the moment is at the bottom. That's because we've just started the car up. When it gets to temperature, you should have hot air coming out the fans. So the car's up to temperature, as you can see. It's still freezing. It's like the air conditioning's on, but it's set to 22 degrees and the air conditioning is off. So we have an issue. It's an easy fix. It's time to go under the bonnet. So to fix our heating issue, we need to start by opening the bonnet. Now once you've got your bonnet up, you need to take a look at your coolant bottle, which is this one here, the expansion tank. Now you need to try and find where your maximum level is. As you can see, it says max behind this cap here, and I can see by shaking the bottle and looking at the side that there's no water in it. Only undo this cap when it's cold. If you undo it while the engine's running or while it's been hot, it's going to throw steam and hot coolant all over you, and you'll end up with some bad burns. So top tip, undo this when it's cold. You can see on the cap that it's actually pressurised. It's a pressurised system when it's on. It's 21 psi, and that's what throws up the water and the steam when you undo the cap while it's warm. So if we look in there, other than looking a bit dirty, we can see that it's empty. Now I know I have no leak, and it's been a long time since I topped it up, so what I'm going to do is top it up with some fresh water. If you're regularly doing this, I'd get your car checked, because you're going to have obviously a water leak somewhere, and bear in mind, if it's cold you may need to put some extra coolant in, and make sure you put the right kind for your car. So I just got a bottle of fresh water. I'm going to try and pour it in there with one hand. This is not going to go well. Oh, there we go. And I'm just going to fill it up till it gets to the max line. Don't forget to screw your cap on all the way so it's tight. You might see it goes tight and then carries on turning, to make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. Don't just stop, otherwise it won't pressurise properly. Shut your bonnet, start your car up, and enjoy lovely warm air once your engine gets to temperature. Nice easy fix. So the car cooled down, we've topped it up with water. It's now back up to temperature. Ignore my songs. So it's at 22 degrees, it's just starting to get warm. I'm going to press this button. All sorts of things is happening. It's noisy. Oh, heat. I feel the heat. I feel it more than the windscreen, like. Oh, it's getting warm. It's getting warm. Fixed it. We did something today. We fixed the car until it is low on water and coolant again. But it's fixed for now, and I have heat. It's warm. Fixed it. Thanks for watching. I have a message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, you can always go to our big cartel shop. The link is in the down there box underneath, where you can get our own Bluudys garage hoodies, t-shirts and stickers.